Now this is what dough looks like when it's fully fermented. It's nice and bubbly. If you've got a clearer container, you can see on the bottom all the nice bubbles. It's got some lovely bubbly texture. It's not stiff and rubbery. It's soft, very soft. And let's see what kind of a window pane we can pull. You can pull a really nice window pane. Translucent. It's got a little hole here, but little holes don't matter as long as it's basically pretty strong. So that's how you can tell that a dough is fully fermented. Bubbly, soft. It's still stretchy, so it's not real weak, and it can pull a really nice window pane. And these here are the gluten strands that you're seeing. So that's what dough looks like when it's fully fermented. And one more thing, the dough will be sticky, but not very sticky. Your hands will no longer stick to it. So it has a little bit of a tacky feel, but your fingers won't really stick to it anymore. When you first mix the dough really sticks to your fingers.